Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to reinstall ChromeOS from USB on your LENOVO IdeaPad Slim 3 Chromebook. So to do that, we're gonna need a USB flash drive with at least 8 GB of available storage. In my case, I have the SD card reader, which will also do. And so we will need a separate device either with ChromeOS or Windows, or I think macOS too, with Google Chrome installed on it. So now let's switch to that other device. We're gonna have to insert our USB flash drive in it. Then open the Google Chrome web browser and search for Google Chrome Web Store. Then you have to open it and search for the recovery tool right here. So let's search for recovery. And in the results we will see Chromebook Recovery Utility. That's what you have to select. And we're gonna have to add this utility as an extension to our Chrome. So click Add to Chrome, Add Extension. Okay, now we're gonna have to open the extensions in our browser and select our Chromebook utility. Click Get Started. And then we're gonna have to identify our Chromebook. So let's switch back to it. Okay, so it's asleep right now. If your device is currently active, you're gonna have to press and hold Escape and Refresh keys at the same time. Let me make it more visible. So Escape and Refresh buttons, and then short press the power button. And basically that's the exactly same thing that you have to do if your device is turned off. Then you're gonna get to the recovery menu of your device, and here you'll be able to check your device's model name, and that's what you want to enter in the Chromebook utility. And once you enter this model name into this field, you have to click Continue, select your USB flash drive, click Continue once again, and then click Create Now. Now be aware that your USB flash drive will be formatted, so if you have some important files on it, you have to back them up on this computer. And then you're gonna have to wait until the recovery image is downloaded. Okay, so once the recovery media is ready, we can click Done, then safely eject the USB flash drive from this computer. And then switch back to our Chromebook. Okay, so use any USB port on your Chromebook. Insert your USB flash drive in it. Now the important thing is to be exactly on this screen while you're doing it in the recovery menu. And if you are in this recovery menu, you simply have to wait until the installation process is finished. So you'll be notified that your PC detected your flash drive with recovery software, and it will start the automatic recovery process. So now you just have to wait for a couple of minutes until it's done. And once you see the message about recovery being finished, remove your USB flash drive and wait until your device is restarted. And at this point, that's basically it. You have successfully reinstalled your ChromeOS. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.